Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm using EA app, but it will be super similar to on Steam as well. So you just need to go to the game, manage, view properties, and open file directory. Then go to Easy Anti-Cheat. Then right click on the blank space, go to new, and then text document, and create text document. Name doesn't matter, let it be apex.txt. Then what you need to do here is to look for Easy Anti-Cheat setup here, right click on it, rename it, and copy whole name with exe.exe. Super important. If you don't see exe, you can write it manually, or simply you can go to view, show, and then select file name extensions, and you will see all the files with extensions. Then what you need to do here is to open the txt file, paste that particular name, then put space, and then write install. Then you can minimize this, or you can save it, and then press Windows and I key, or simply write on search run, write %appdata%, look for Easy Anti-Cheat, then go to service.log. Then what you need to do here is to look for started with install and the numbers. And these numbers should repeat. As you can see here, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and more. Right? So copy the numbers, then go back to apex.txt or simply your txt file. Then put space after install and paste the numbers, file, save as, then make sure UTF-8 is selected. Save as type is all files, and then delete txt and rename it to BAT. Save it. Then what you need to do here is to run apex.bat one time. It should quickly close itself after a few seconds, and then launch the game like you normally do, and it should fix your problem. That's pretty much it.